Hello everyone, great to have you here again. The topic in this video is wild animals, altogether 80 of them with pictures and the pronunciation of the word, as you might have got used to it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in case you're new here, and don't forget to check the description down below for a Quizlet study set that'll help you to learn these new words. So, without further ado, let's get down to learning some wild animals. Alligator, alligator. Arctic fox, Arctic fox. Armadillo, armadillo. Baboon, baboon. Basilisk lizard, basilisk lizard. Bat, bat. Bear, bear. Bison, bison. Black panther, black panther. Camel, camel. Chameleon, chameleon. Cheetah, cheetah. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Chipmunk, chipmunk. Crane, crane. Crocodile, crocodile. Deer, deer. Dromedary, dromedary. Eagle, eagle. Elephant, elephant. Falcon, falcon. Fish, fish. Flamingo, flamingo. Fox, fox. Frog, frog. Gecko, gecko. Giraffe, giraffe. Gorilla, gorilla. Hare, hare. Hedgehog, hedgehog. Hippo, hippo. Hyena, hyena. Iguana, iguana. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Kookaburra, kookaburra. Lion, lion. Lizard, lizard. Lobster, lobster. Lynx, lynx. Mandrill, mandrill. Marten, marten. Meerkat, meerkat. Mole, mole. Monkey, monkey. Moose, moose. Opossum, opossum. Orangutan, orangutan. Oryx, oryx. Ostrich, ostrich. Otter, otter. Owl, owl. Panda, panda. Parrot, parrot. Pheasant, pheasant. porcupine, porcupine. Puma, puma. Python, python. Raccoon, raccoon. Rat, rat. Rat panda, rat panda. Reindeer, reindeer. Rhino, rhino. Shark, shark. For other sea animals, please check the link above. Skunk, skunk. Snake, snake. Snake eagle, snake eagle. Snow leopard, snow leopard. Spider, spider. For some insects, please check the link above. Squirrel, squirrel. Swan, swan. Tiger, tiger. Toad, toad. Turtle, turtle. Vulture, vulture. Wild boar, wild boar. Wild duck, wild duck. Wildebeest, wildebeest. Wolf, wolf. Zebra, zebra. Thank you for watching this video. I take it you have learned some new ones, haven't you? If necessary, go back and watch the video again. Learning so many words is pretty much of a daunting task. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your ideas about this video. See you in another one soon. Cheers.